So today you had a tough day. You want to know what your day is going to look like tomorrow? Ask yourself, how do I feel? If your feelings are still being taken over, emotionally driven by what happened today, say today was fucked up and you're pissed about today. Nah, today was messed up. This happened, this happened, this happened. It's a fucked up day. How do you feel? Do you feel pissed, angry, resentful, revengeful, disappointed? This is always bullshit, always happens to me. Those people are always fucking with me. She always messes with me. He always messes with me. I can't believe that happened. If that's how you feel, that's how your tomorrow is going to be. Your state of emotion is a crystal ball, a TV towards the future of what it's going to be like. So if you feel fucked up, I hate to break it to you, but you know what? No, I don't hate to break it to you. I'm actually happy to break it to you because someone told me that that's how it worked. I fucking tried it and it's true. It works. The way you feel, you're making yourself feel that way. And that's a reflection, that's a crystal ball, that's the future of what your future is going to be like. So then what do? You want to fix tomorrow? Fix how you feel right now. How do you feel? The feelings is just like a meter. It's a meter of what your future is going to be like. Your future could be in 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 10 hours, a day, 2 days, 10 weeks. Don't you want your future to be good? Then stop feeling fucked up right now. You have control of those emotions. You have control whether you're going to let the negative anger, lack of faith, lack of love, lack of trust, bitterness, sourness, anger, revengeful, hateful feeling. You have control. No one's making you feel that shit. You're making yourself feel it. And you're just saying, hey, you know what? This is what I want my future to be like. Just shitty, straight out shitty. For me and my loved ones, let's go. It's going to be great. It's going to be fucked up. It is. Because your feelings is a straight representation of what your future is going to look like. So how do you do that? Let me get one more set in. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to tell you how to fix that. How do you fix the way you feel despite how your day went? You're going to ask yourself, you're going to tell yourself this one statement. This statement changed my life completely. Life happens for me, not to me. There's something to learn here. And then be thankful about something within that fucked up situation. As simple and as basic as, I'm so thankful that I'm alive to have gone through that. And then you could go back to the beginning. I know there's something to learn here because all this shit happens for me. Nothing ever happens to us. We were misinformed. Nothing happens to us. See, that happened to you. No, that happened for me because there's something to learn here. Thank you, God, that I get to experience this thing called life because I'm very lucky to be here. With that mindset, part 2, you get some exercise in. Whatever it is, go on Google and exercises at home with no equipment. It could be push-ups. I'm doing leg lifts and crunches, leg lifts, and dips. You could do that on a chair. You could do those exercises on a chair. You could do push-ups. You can go for a walk. You can go for a run. But check this out. This is fire right here. This is bars right here. Make sure that you set the intention. The reason for these push-ups, I'm out here exercising. That's why I feel so hella good right now. Because that shit elevates you. The intention for this exercise is to elevate my attitude. Is to elevate the way I feel. I want to elevate my feelings because my feelings predict my future. My feelings is a straight prediction of what my future is going to be like. I feel like shit right now. So the intention of this exercise is to make me feel good, to have a good feeling. And then you remind yourself of that part number 1, which is the line. Life happens for me, not to me. I know there's something to learn here. And I got to be in a better mood. I got to have better feelings in order to be able to see what it is that I need to see and gain the wisdom from the shit that I'm saying is bad. And no, this doesn't happen for me. That whole way of thinking that it's bad is because I'm thinking it happened to me. Change that shit. It happened for me. I know there's something to learn here. But me having a bad attitude and feeling like shit, I can't see it. So I'm going to bust this exercise so I could feel better, so I could see what I need to learn. I can elevate my wisdom. I guarantee you that will work instantly. It's not a maybe. It's not like these are universal laws. This is like gravity. It guaranteed is gonna work. The first time I did it, I was giggling so hard because I was like, oh shit, it works. And the whole future thing, 100%. Keep your low attitude and watch how you're gonna have a shitty tomorrow. And it's the same thing. It's like, yeah, but all kinds of shit happen at work or with my hyena or with the family or with the kids or whatever. You're unstoppable if you're at a high level. Look at I'll give you a little bonus tip. Let me tell you why it works. Because when we're feeling like shit, what comes before feelings? Your thoughts. What comes before thoughts? Your vibration, your vibe, your personal rate of vibration. So the reason why you feel shitty is because your thoughts are shitty. And your thoughts are shitty because your personal rate of vibration is shitty. So when you hit the floor and you do some exercise with the intention to elevate your vibration, you elevate your vibration, your thoughts get better. You can't bust exercise and have shitty thoughts. Your thoughts get good. Your thoughts elevate automatically. Your feelings elevate. You feel better. It's like, oh, okay, there's that future thing. Why? Because after feelings comes actions. Thoughts, feelings, actions. Your actions become better. So the things that you do physically with your body, simply as sitting up straight or not all slouching or not go reaching for your vice, whatever it is, are going to be better. Your actions create your character, and your character create your habits, and your habits create your reality. If you start doing this shit on the regular, making sure that you keep your feelings in check, despite how shitty the day was, because I'm not telling you that these shitty days are going to disappear. They're not. But you should be like, good, fuck it, bring it. Because within those shitty days, there's a test to see if you're going to elevate to become a better version of you. The better version of you, guess what the prize is? All those things that we desire, all those things that we want, the physical stuff, the hoodies, the cars, the vacations, the jewelry, the better relationships, those things are going to start coming towards you. Because why? Because you're learning the lessons that need to be learned from the shitty days. Those shitty days are not just shitty days by luck. Those shitty days have wisdom behind them. And that wisdom, that makes you more valuable. And what's valuable is rare. And what rare is valuable. So guess what? You're going to start attracting valuable things. Remember, all the things that you want, you don't have them yet because they're too valuable. That's why you want them. It's like, the Ferrari, the diamond watch, the vacation, the better pad, or more pads. Well, yeah, in order to get those valuable things, you got to become more valuable. And the person who bitches, whines, and complains about shitty days ain't valuable. Because they ain't rare. Because everybody bitches, whines, and complains about shitty days. If you become part of that 1% of people that, shitty day, perfect. This is where I'm going to learn some shit. What? You become more valuable. Therefore, you start attracting all the valuable things that you want. See why it's so important to take advantage of these shitty days? Stop letting them dominate you. You dominate them. Write what tomorrow's going to be like. How? Take control of what tomorrow's going to be like. How? By taking control of your feelings. Remember the feeling. Ask yourself 10 times a day. Set an alarm on your clock, on your phone, to ask yourself, how am I feeling? I'm feeling kind of mid, kind of sad because things are not going my way. I was feeling like that for a little while at the park today. I was at the park for the daily walk. And my wife came up to me. It's like, you look kind of sad. What's going on? I was just like, eh. She's like, oh, well, you're not happy. Things are not going your way. And I was like, fuck, you're right. That's exactly right. Yeah, you know what? I'm feeling bummed out. I'm feeling sad because things are not going my way. 2, 3 things I have right here and in my heart that I'm fucking whining and bitching about because things are not going my way. And thank you for that. Because good, I'm glad they're not going my way because there's something to learn here. And I'm grateful that I get to have those things not go my way because those things are not going my way. They're happening for me, not to me. And the rest of this walk, the intention is to elevate the way I feel. By the time I got to the car, I was feeling great. I'm glad those shit ain't happening for me because I know that they are. Eventually they are. But I need to learn what's need to be learned. If I don't make myself the victim and I start being grateful to get to go through that adversity, through that bullshit, through that challenge, through the things not going my way, not working out the way I want them to work out. And as soon as I do that, everything changes and I learn what needs to be learned. And I become more what? More rare, more valuable. And that's what we want. Don't let these shitty days do you. You do that. And get yourself a better tomorrow. If you got any questions, you know what to do. Hit me up in the comments. Bust them in the comments. If you don't got no questions and you just fuck with me, you're like, hey, I like this guy. I want to kick it with them more. Just say what's up in the comments. You really, really want to kick it with me? You want to start becoming homies, get to know each other a little bit more, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. And just to help me out, makes me feel good. And you help out the channel for real. Hit the like button. Some links to socials and mindset groups in the description. You want to check those out. Other than that, make tomorrow a good day. Check your feelings right now. Hey, fool, how am I feeling right now? That's what your tomorrow's going to look like. You want to fix it? Fix your feelings. Get on the floor, bust some push-ups till you can't no more. Let's go. Let's get it.